I think it's important for a well-functioning democracy that people understand and can assess the economic performance of the country, and ultimately so they can hold policymakers and government accountable. My ESCoE research is all about how people understand the economy and specifically economic statistics and economic data. So things like inflation, GDP, unemployment. And then we're also looking at how can we improve how we communicate that data to the general public. In the last 5-6 years, through interviews and focus groups, we've spoken to more than 300 people across the UK and surveyed more than 10,000 people as well. We've also worked with journalists, done content analysis to look at how, for instance, an ONS economic release, how that kind of gets filtered through various intermediaries, so for instance the media, to the general public. It was during COVID where there was a lot of challenges in communicating economic impacts. It was during the cost of living crisis that presented a set of challenges as well. One of our key findings is that there are a lot of people in the UK who do lack understanding of the economy, but most people are incredibly interested in the economy. They understand that economic data is incredibly important. They regret that they didn't learn more about it at school, and generally just want policymakers, economists, journalists to speak about the economy and about economic data on the news in a way that's more accessible. People do have quite nuanced and rich understandings of the economy. It's just sometimes slightly different than what an economist or statistician, how they would think about the economy. So for instance, people quite often see it through the lens of their personal economy. They look at their mortgage, what they have left at the end of the month. When we published our first report, it did make a bit of a splash in the media and kind of started a conversation. So we were on the front page of the Financial Times. I was interviewed for the Today programme on Radio 4. We spoke to the Treasury, the Bank of England, Financial Conduct Authority, spoke at conferences, went to 10 Downing Street and presented the research. And I think people did listen and did keep it in mind when they then communicated the economy to the public.
What I loved about the work that Johnny and Nida did was that for the first time they gave us really good, usable, meaningful evidence about how members of the public use statistics in their lives. And that's just a breakthrough for us.